Hello, my name is Axel Reis. I'm the program manager for welding at CENTRALGO Technical College here in Santa. We have the honor to host the 36th annual State College Welding Skills Competition this year in our Building 400 at main campus. And we're going to have approximately 10 colleges competing in different categories of welding. There's going to be a total of 6 categories. First, category 1 is a category where the student has to be able to weld aluminum T-joints and carbon steel T-joints and a carbon steel open root gas metal arc welding. Category 2 is going to be T-joints with a 60-10 root pass and 70-18 filler passes in 2 different positions. Category 3 is going to be a V-groove, 60-10 open root in the vertical position and overhead position. Category 4, which is a carbon steel pipe, 60-10, 70-18 all the way out. Then category 5 is going to be a carbon steel pipe with a root pass with gas tungsten arc welding, and then 70-18 filled all the way out. And then number 6 is going to be a stainless steel competition where the student have to weld a stainless steel pipe all the way out.
My name is Lucas Bishop. I'm an alumni from Central Carolina, and I'm also the pipe welding instructor here. I've been teaching here for about 2.5 years now. I recently become a certified welding inspector. Here at the college, we handcrafted 2 different fire pits that were auctioned off or raffled off in support of the welding competition, in support of the college, to get the community to come out and see what all we have to offer here at the college. And as an instructor here, I enjoy getting to pass on my knowledge of the welding skill and the art and the craft and the trade to younger students and to my students, and really get to kind of impact their life and really make a difference in their future. Some of my students are fresh out of high school. Some of them are 40 and 50 years old, and it's a pleasure to really get to work with them one-on-one. And you know, after they graduate, getting phone calls and emails and texts saying, "Hey, this is what I'm doing now. I really appreciate everything you've given me, or everything you've taught me. Thank you for all your support." That makes a big difference.
I'm David Drummond. I'm a student at Central Carolina. I've been in the competition, the state welding competition, in category 3, which is vertical and overhead, V-groove, 60-10 and 70-18. The competition is pretty stiff and kind of stressful, but I mean, if you manage your time properly, then you won't have any issues. It's a lot going on. There's a lot of people running around, and it's a good time, but it's also crazy. How much can you accomplish?